Welcome to Beemaster 79. In this lesson we tackle an IELTS writing task 1 map comparison and build it up to a band 9 model answer. Here is the task. The maps show the changes in Liverton docks between 1980 and the present. We must summarize the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Take a moment to study the two maps. In 1980 the docks are a working port, full of warehouses, cranes and ships. Today the same site has been turned over to leisure, tourism and housing. Let's brainstorm. On the left, the 1980 port, warehouses and cranes on both banks, and 5 ships on the river. On the right, today's site, an education center, sailing club and playground, a ship museum with a new bridge and flood barrier, and a hotel, apartments and a river walk. Our plan has 4 paragraphs. An introduction that paraphrases the task, an overview capturing the big change, with no figures, then 2 body paragraphs describing the old docks and then the new development. Paragraph 1, the introduction. The 2 maps illustrate how the docklands of the town of Liverton were transformed between 1980 and the present day. Paragraph 2, the overview. Overall, it is clear that the area was completely redeveloped, shifting from a busy industrial port dominated by warehouses, cranes and ships, into a modern district devoted to leisure, education and residential living. Body paragraph 1. In 1980, the northern strip of the docks housed 2 warehouses, each served by its own crane, while a further warehouse and crane stood on the southern bank. The river running through the center was crowded with 5 ships, and an arrow marked the route eastwards to the coast. Body paragraph 2. Today the site is almost unrecognizable. The northern warehouses have been replaced by an education center and a children's playground with a newly built sailing club between them. On the water, the ships have given way to a single ship museum, and a bridge now crosses the river, which is guarded by a flood barrier. To the south, the old warehouse has become a hotel, while apartments, a car park and a river sidewalk have all been added, leading down to the coast. So why is this a band 9? It delivers a clear overview, covers every key feature, and makes accurate comparisons with precise vocabulary and well-controlled grammar. One honest note, band 9 here reflects our own assessment against the public IELTS descriptors, not a certified examiner score. That's it. Keep practicing your task 1 maps and subscribe to Beemaster 79 for more band 9 walkthroughs.